After deciding which direction that I want my tumbling tower pieces to lay, I glue them down with Gorilla Glue. There's a small gap due to the shape of the star, so I measure and snip a craft stick to fit into the gap space like a tiny shim. Now I'll let this dry and come back and start to paint. I'm going to add white and then black just to give the wood a little character and texture. I'm going to use a wastebasket instead because there's just more to work with. Be careful, I did end up cutting myself. This wire is no joke. I'm gonna try, I got one staple in. I'm gonna try to get another one now. Okay, so I'm gonna try to, the ones that didn't go in all the way, I'm gonna try to tap them in and then cut this and tuck it under so that it doesn't cause any more cuts, and then put a bit of black paint over these staples so that it blends in with the mesh. Okay, here it is all snipped, and I bent the ends under to make it a little safer, and a couple of spots where the metal was sticking out and I couldn't bend it anymore. I just put a dab of hot glue to kind of tip it, to give it a little safety tip. But so I'm going to use this licorice enamel and paint over the staples. Staples have all been painted. And here are just a few different ways that you can use this. Put extra towels, electronics, tableside planter, wall-mounted planter, or a wall pocket for mail.